Install WordPress locally using XAMPP, a step-by-step guide. First, download the XAMPP. Once downloaded, install it to your computer. Go to wordpress.org. Download the latest version. Locate your XAMPP folder. Go to htdocs folder and create a new folder. Name it anything you want. Get the downloaded WordPress and paste it to the new folder you created. Then extract. Open the WordPress folder. Select all the files and move it outside the folder. Open your XAMPP. Click Start button on Apache and MySQL. On MySQL, click Admin button to create your database. Click New. Type the name of the database you want to create. Then click Create. Go to the browser and type localhost / name of your folder. Select the language you prefer. Then click Continue. Click Let's Go button. Enter the database name you set earlier. Enter root for the username. This is the default for XAMPP. Leave the password empty and other field as is. Click Submit. And run the installation. You can now set the title of your website. Set the username and password that you want. Make sure to save it somewhere to remember. Enter your email address. Then click Install WordPress. Click Login. Enter your username and password to login. Boom! Now your WordPress site is set.